Northeastern Colorado is closed tonight. You can't get there, and if you are there, you can't get out. Denver barely got brushed by the snow, but the plains got buried. Our Mark Salinger went out as far as he could to show us how travel and business just stopped.
Driving today was a bit of a truck wreck. For those who did actually see all the road closed signs in eastern Colorado and didn't just barrel through them, the detour led them here.
I mean, sitting here, I'm not really making money.
You get delayed, that really sets your schedule back.
The truck stop off I-76 near Hudson was full, and yet no one wanted to be here.
I'm headed to Fremont, Nebraska.
Waiting for hours in the parking lot of a Carl's Jr. wasn't Isaac Cocho's plan. He'll lose money because of this storm.
Time is of the essence. When there is backups, when there is delays, road closures, that really does set us back.
I'm trying to head back east to go back home.
Thomas Mack knows that every major road in northeastern Colorado was closed Tuesday. He also knows there's no way around it.
You pretty much got I-70, 25, and 76. And there's probably back ways in that I don't know about it, but those roads are going to be closed longer than what the interstates will be.
I-70 and I-76 were both closed for more than 100 miles. So it was nearly every other road between Denver and Kansas. The way Colorado is built, there are no other major interstates that conveniently connect Denver to the rest of the country to the east and west.
The safest thing to do is just to wait and not take any chances or risks because it could get catastrophic.
When there aren't any alternate routes, waiting and obeying those signs is the only option.
It all comes down to Mother Nature.
We saw this play out on a bigger scale back in the summers of 2020 and 2021 when Glenwood Canyon closed down for weeks after a fire and floods in the area. The alternate route for truckers there was to drive all the way up north into Wyoming. There are very few convenient detours when any major interstate shuts down anywhere in Colorado.
And this time of year, there's holiday gifts on those trucks.
Yeah. Exactly, and some people might be getting those a little bit later. It's hard to put an exact price tag on how much something like this costs the state when it comes to commerce, but what I have been told by the association that goes with the truckers is that this will last for several days. It's not something that will end tomorrow.
All right, Mark, thanks for getting us started. Lauren's next on this.